Hi guys, today we're here at Ladies Market. Tanong mo how much this? How much? 13 eh.
How much you want? Give me your price, okay? Any number. Any number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one you like?
Tawaran mo. Ikaw.
Later.
Hello. 20.
$20.
Yeah.
Magkano ngayon doon?
Any model.
Ha? Doon? 15?
Choose
Choose mo.
model. Choose model.
15? Ah, wag na maingay. 15 daw.
I have any model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What size? Choose.
Dalawa lang.
Ito, oh, maganda.
Ano dyan?